Hi guys, welcome back. So today's video, I am doing part 2 to my reverse fake scalp method. But before we get into the video, let me ask you a question. Do you think it's a waste of time for your wig install to look this fabulous? If so, you might as well go ahead and just click out this video, because this is for my precious squad and anyone else who wants to learn how to get the flattest, the most realistic install that you can possibly get. Because every tip that I give you guys, I have tried out. It works for me and I hope that it works for you. But if not, I understand. So today's video, I want to show you guys how to actually do the reverse fake scalp method with glue. Yesterday's video just focused mostly on the benefits of it. If you have not seen that video, definitely go check it out so you can get all the details about this new method that I'm trying. So this is what today's wig install look like. As you guys can see, it is flat, it is scalp, it's giving what it's supposed to give. Let me say that again. It's giving what it is supposed to give, honey. Okay, so make sure you stay tuned. We're going to jump right into that. So make sure you give this video a like, leave me a comment below and on your feedback after watching the video, and also subscribe if you're new to my channel. My name is Marie. Click that subscribe button below so you can get notified every time I slay a wig or just upload a video for you guys. Let's jump right into today's video. Before we jump into the method, of course you want a wig that is going to complement this method. This wig right here is from Ronnie Hair. It will be linked below. Of course, you guys know I've been loving these super pre-plucked hairlines, so most of the wigs that I share with you guys have had that, and today's wig is no different. So I already have bleached the knots. I've washed the wig. I just got finished curling it, and I cut off the extra lace so we don't have to go through that in today's video. This wig does come with a clear lace. It is a 13x6 pre-plucked lace wig. So just to get a little bit of wig prep before you install, you want to go ahead and flatten that hair down with a hot comb, or you can use hair mousse. You can use whatever you want, really. This is just the way I do my wigs, but I'm making sure that every part of the wig at the top is flat so that you can really see, you know, what this method can do. And of course, you want a wig, like I said, that has the most undetectable knots. You want to bleach them, and you also want a wig that has that new hairline so that when you do this method, everything complements each other. You can't have one without the other. So let's jump right into the method. Okay, so in my last video, what I didn't get to do was show you guys how much material you get when you order this fake scalp material, because some of you thought it would be a waste of material. So today I'm going to show you just how much I use and also how much you get. So this is one of the fabrics that come in the material packaging. I will be sure to link this below in the description box, you guys. So read the description box if you want the link to this fabric. So this is one of them, okay? And both of them, you get the same amount. Will get you through plenty of installs, okay? Let me remind you that some people wear their installs for 2 weeks or sometimes longer. So look how much material you have. So when I go to do my wig install with the reverse fake scalp method, I do not use much of this material because you don't need a lot. And that was my mistake. I didn't clarify this in the last video, but I'm gonna clarify it today. So this is how much I cut off when I use the fake scalp material for the reverse fake scalp material for one head install, okay? This is how much right here, what I'm cutting off, which is not much at all. I want you guys to see this for yourselves. Not to mention this material has a little bit of stretch. We're gonna get into that in a second, but it does lay the hair very flat, and you'll see more benefits of this doing the reverse fake scalp as we go through this video. Now, I'm not going to go into details about how to do this. Check out my first video that I put up yesterday on this. I will link it in the description box and it will pop out to you. It should have at the beginning of this video. So I am going to apply the color for the lighter skin. This is what the lighter skin one looks like. I think in yesterday's video I applied the fake scalp material for the darker skin. So with the shear, I take the same amount. I apply it the same way. Also in my last video, I didn't really clarify on how I attach it in the back. With this material, it has a bit of stretch, so you can tie it into a small teeny knot. For me, the stocking cap method never really flattens my hair, neither do the wig cap, but this material has stretch. So just like a headscarf, it's not as heavy as a headscarf. It's not gonna feel like it's very lightweight, but it will flatten your hair further and also just make that wig sit properly and flat. So another thing I didn't show you guys yesterday was basically how you can tint it. It's the same way as if you was using the stocking cap or the wig cap. You take your foundation powder if you need to, and you go over the top. Because this one is a bit lighter than the darker, as you can see, I do need to tint it. So that's what I'm showing you today. So have you ever used a stocking cap or a wig cap, did the ball cap method, and you notice that the front of it kind of rolls a little bit, and then you spray it, it rolls back, and then you feel like your whole ball cap method is ruined? Well, you don't have to worry about that with this material. It's not going to budge once you spray it down, okay? And another great thing about doing the reverse fake scalp method is that you don't need to worry about that line of demarcation at all, honey. Oh. So here's how the fake scalp material look on my skin, and here's how it look when I apply the hairline over top, okay? And with these new pre-plucked hairlines, you definitely don't want any lines showing under that wig, okay? So as you can see for yourself, there's nothing visible there. Now, somebody told me that the wig cap protects your edges. Now, I have to disagree with that, okay? From experience, I'm speaking. The wig cap actually can roll back. The stocking cap method can roll back. But I'm going to tell you what's not going to roll back: the fake scalp material. So when you go to do your glue application, the barrier from that fake scalp material, you can put that glue on instead of putting it on your hairline. Now, that's not to say that your application don't need to be removed delicately for you to protect your edges, because we all know lost edges come from not removing your wig properly, more so than the application. So you want to make sure you take precaution there. But as you can see, I'm applying the glue over top of that material. Y'all gonna see in a second if this glue, if it actually goes clear or if it stays white, because we all know that sometimes material can mess with the wig glue and it might not dry as fast. So you guys will see that in a second. And yes, I apply my wig with a full face of makeup, because it's no different than someone putting makeup on their ball cap method and then applying that glue. So I never noticed a difference with my glue install and makeup, to be honest. But if you need to, you can take some alcohol or just wash that hairline with some soap and water. So as you can see for yourself, it is drying clear, so it does not mess with the glue application, and it's well stuck, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and lay this wig down as soon as a few areas finish drying. You want to give this glue just a few minutes. I would say at least 5 minutes. This is the Supreme Glue by Eben. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull that wig down and just make sure I place it correctly. You always want to make sure the hairline is lined up correctly before you press that glue, especially when you're using lace glue, okay? You don't want to have to rip up the lace and do it again. Definitely not. By the way, what's your favorite wig glue or wig adhesive that you're currently using? Not sprays, but actual wig glue. Let me know in the comment section your favorite glue. When I tell you this wig application is everything, it's everything, okay? If you don't want to take this tip, whatever, do what you want. My wig application looks amazing, but I hope that you guys will at least try it out and then tell me what you think about it. And remember, you need to make sure that your natural hair is flat. Lay some braids, lay some twists, pull it back into a ponytail. Otherwise, it's going to be flat, but then it's going to be like a big mountain. You don't want that on top of your head. But girl, this wig application is everything. And I don't think I'm ever going back to any type of stocking cap, wig cap. I'm not doing it, okay? and the material is very breathable. But yeah, I'm extremely happy with the Reverse Fake Scalp, because every time, and I know you guys have seen this in my video, I do the wig cap or even just the stocking cap, I notice that line, and that's the one thing that I'm impressed with right now with this super pre-plucked hairline. Girl, it's nothing but scalp, honey. That's it. Nothing else. Like, why do I need a wig cap? Why? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and tie this down with a sleigh band and let that sit for at least 20 minutes before I take up the sleigh band. And 20 minutes later, this is the end result. So I will be sure to put the fake scalp material down below in the description box. I will also link this wig down below in the description box. I can't say anything else but try it. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. But this is going to be my new go-to. The Reverse Fake Scalp Method is it for me. So I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Drop me a comment and also subscribe if you're new to my channel. And I thank you so much for watching today's video. Be sure to check out the benefit video of the Reverse Fake Scalp Method. I will also link it at the end of this video. Mwah.